Today we had the Mr. Peace program here at our school, and the fourth, fifth, and sixth graders were first, and they were so connected and engaged with this program. You could see the looks on their faces. There were some kids that really are bullying other kids, and they were crying. And one kid, you thought they were crying because they're that person, but it really wasn't that reason. Later on, you find out that they did have a death in their family, and that's why they were crying, and they were sad, and it was just so uplifting to watch these children and the staff. And afterwards, what we saw was children talking to the staff and using the same language that Mr. Peace used. And one of our teachers said to him, "What would Mr. Peace say? How would he ask you to handle this?" And that's what we're looking for, something we can pull through our school with our PBIS, and we use second step curriculum, and using our pledge of being respectful and kindness. And that's what we're looking for, and that's what this did for our school, I think. And we're looking forward for him coming back again so that we can continue talking with our kids. And we will be following through. Some kids in the upper grades actually have a plan already. Some of them said they want to do different things in the school, like the handprints and those kinds of things. Kids are looking for their M on their hands, and it's just really exciting to watch, because that is what we needed. We need to have more kindness in our school, in our community.